Hey everyone, how's it going? So I've been getting a lot of requests from my students to draw some more Fortnite characters, and more specifically, Klombo. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Klombo. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video. Now to start off with Klombo from Fortnite, let's begin with the eyes. So we want to start right about here, and we're going to make two circles for the eyes. So let's begin by drawing a circle for one eye. We're going to leave some space. They're going to be pretty far apart, so we'll leave some space and we'll make another circle for an eye over here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and down. And we'll do one here. We're going to go up and down. Starting here, we'll make a line that just goes across to connect them. Now, starting here, let's draw a line that's going to kind of go down. We'll go up, and we'll kind of come back down and up for a big mouth. Kind of looks like a frog a little bit. Next, we'll draw a line that's going to come down and connect on each side. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down. We'll come up. We'll go down and then back up again to make that big mouth. We'll draw a little line that's going to come down and up. We'll do the same thing here. We'll just go down and we'll bring it up a little bit. And then we'll just connect it here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a couple teeth. So we'll make a few little pointed lines right in here for some teeth. I'll put a couple more back here. And then I'll make a few teeth right along the top too for Klombo. So we'll just kind of make all these different sharp pointy teeth here. Next, starting here, let's draw a line that's going to curve and come down. Then we'll make another one that's going to curve, and then we'll run it right to here for the tongue. Then we'll put a couple more teeth right over here. Now, starting over here, let's work on the legs. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down. You can see it kind of comes in and then back out. We'll do that same thing here. We're just going to go out, and then we'll just kind of bring it in. Right here, let's make an oval shape, and then a smaller oval right next to it. Do that same thing here. Let's make a bigger oval shape, and then we'll make a smaller one right next to it. We'll connect the two ovals. Then we'll make a line that's going to go up, and it's going to kind of curve in. So we'll go over, we'll bring it up, and curve it in. Right here, let's make a line that's going to come down on each side. We'll make another oval shape, and we'll just see one. We'll just bring it right to here. Do that same thing here. Now, Klombo has 6 legs, so we'll do it one more time. We'll make another line that comes down. And we'll make just a small little oval here at the end. Now, right above each one of these ovals, let's add a little sad face above each one. This just kind of makes a little wrinkle, make it look a little bit more realistic. Then we'll just draw a little line, kind of like a smiley face right across. Now on one side, I'll do it on this side, let's draw a line that's going to come up, We'll round it off and bring it back over for the tail. Now, Colombo has these kind of like feathery looking spikes on the back of his head, so we want to add a few of those. So right here by the eye, let's begin with one. We'll draw a line that's going to curve up. It's going to come to a point and down. We'll make one that's going to be kind of hidden behind it, so we'll go out to a point and back. And then we'll make one up here. It's going to come up to a point and then down. So let's do that over here again. We're kind of start right in here. We're going to go out, and then we'll come back down here towards the top of the head. We'll make a little one that comes out to a point and back. And then we'll make one on top. It's going to come out and then down here. Now I'm also going to add some little kind of pointy spikes right along the back here, kind of where the top of the legs are. You can do different amounts on each side. Those are just to show kind of the little spikes that he has. I'm also going to put a couple of them, some different size ones right here. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes up on each side of the legs. And we'll make some little lines that come right across here. You can see I made some that curved down and this bottom one curved up. We'll make a line right here, and I'll add a few more of these little curved lines. Now right here for the pupils, let's add a circle here. And then we'll add another circle inside over here. We'll add a smaller circle towards the top of each eye. And then let's just go ahead and color in these pupils real fast. Now that we have our basic shape of Colombo done, let's just add a couple more quick little details. So one of the things I'm going to do is at the top of these kind of spikes, we'll just make a little curved line, just to show where there's going to be some different colors. We can also add a little line coming down each one. I'm going to draw a little line underneath each eye here. And then I'm going to put a couple little bumps right along the bottom of the mouth here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Colombo from Fortnite. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.